In this lesson, I will explain to you measures of positions. We are discussing measure of positions and our learning objective is deciles. This is the last topic of measure of positions. We already have discussed standard scores, percentiles, quartiles. So this lesson is for deciles. So decile divide the distribution into 10 groups. Means if we have a data, decile groups our data into 10 groups and is denoted by D1, D2, D3 and so on. So the formula used in order to calculate the decile is D is equal to K divided by 10 multiplied by N plus 1. So N represents the number of elements in our data set. Suppose if our data set consists of 12 numbers, 12 elements or 11 or 20. So this N varies according to the data set. This K represents which decile we are going to calculate. If someone asks you to calculate D6, so you have to write down 6 here. D7, so you have to write down D7. And then this is decile, because decile represents 10. It distributes the data into 10 groups. So this is constant. But this will change if I will ask you to calculate D6, D5, D4 and so on. This will varies and according to your data set. So here I have set as example for you. These are the numbers, 10 students, suppose numbers, and you have to calculate D7 and D8, mean decile 7 and decile 8. It finds out the position, relative position of the student marks with respect to others. So first thing is you have to arrange the data in order. So starting from lowest, which is 34, then 43, then 49 and so on. So you have to arrange the data which we did. Formula is D is equal to K divided by 10 multiplied by N plus 1. So here we are going to calculate D7, right? So you can write down 7 here as well. If you want D7, instead of this K, we will write down 7 divided by 10, because this is decile. It divides the distribution into 10 equal parts. So that is, it is 10 multiplied by 10. This number, here we have 10 elements in our data set. But if you have 12, 13, 14, whatever, it will change according to your data set. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 77 by 10, equal to 7.7, which is approximately, if we round up, 8. So it means D7 or decile 7 is the 8th element, which is 72. We can count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this one, 72, is the decile 7. So if someone asks you decile 8, we will do here again same thing. You have to arrange the data in order, and this is the same formula. Decile 8, K over 10 multiplied by N plus 1. We have 10 elements, 10 plus 1 multiplied by 8. Why 8? Because we are calculating decile 8. So 88.10, which is equal to 8.8. Approximately, if we will round up, it will be equal to 9. So it means decile 8 is the 9th element in our data set. Count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 80 is the decile 8. So if you still have any question regarding deciles, you can write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.